Hello everyone, welcome to American Jedi channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick little review of this little selfie machine made by Canon. I think they run around $249, not sure. These were bought for the shop for business reasons. Yeah, so just showing you here what it is a Canon Selphy machine. I've already printed a couple photos. Here's one. I've got it printing a photo right now from my phone as I'm recording. It's busy, so it's downloading the signal, but like here's an example of one photo. And you can see it's photo paper. Nice gloss quality, and I'm sure they've got matte finishes too. And then you've got here, I'll see if you can see with the light. Let's see if we can get zoomed in. But yeah, see the tears right there? But here we go. Printing the photo. Oh boy. It should come out like 2 or 3 times as it goes through each shade of color. There's the yellow. And then what are we gonna do now? The pink. And it tells you right here what's coming next. Blue. Let's look at the blue. Oh, one more time. What's next? Oh, white. I guess we're looking at white. All right. Let's check this out. I'm not going to touch the part where it printed on yet. I don't know if it's like dry or if you have to let it dry or anything, but yeah, check this out. This is me from the back. And there's my bird Bowser. It's going on a little hike. Just hanging out in the backpack. And this was before he was flighted. This is before he grew his flight feathers in. So I take him out of the backpack and let him run around on the table and stuff, and he had a lot of fun. Of course, I kept my eyes to the sky for predators, and there's Halo walking behind me. Just going on a little hike through the woods by our house. So there you go. I'm actually pretty impressed. This is basically a tiny photo printer, and I've got an Xbox controller here just so you can kind of see, like, it's barely bigger than this controller. I mean, you can kind of see. So very small. The screen folds down. This whole thing here is detachable, so you can just take this right out. If I can get it out. If I can do it one-handedly without breaking it. Okay, well, let's see here. Come out. Nope. Not going to be able to do this one-handed, I don't think. Oh, there we go. So that comes out. That goes up. This folds down. And then you have this little unit like this. That's all it is. That's the printer. And then you put your photo paper in here, and you can get boxes like this. You'll get 108 sheets plus ink. I don't know how much that cost. Someone else ordered that. So the look at here and the side, on the right side as you're looking at the front, that's where the ink cartridge goes. So you slide that in there. It's just a disposable cartridge, and that's it. And it's pretty cool. You can pretty much print from your phone. I just printed from my iPhone while I was making this video, so definitely works very good. Let's see here. See if there's any details on the box that I need to show y'all. Yeah, you can air print. You can also do the Android print, whatever that's called, the Mofi something, I don't know, but yeah. Wi-Fi, print over Wi-Fi, print directly from your camera, laptop, whatever. Apple AirPrint. And then one thing that this also doesn't mention, really, It's got all these things on the top. It's a lot of stuff, Jesus. But I really didn't see it on the box. You know, they advertise a lot. Okay, you can print from your phone, obviously. Selfies, right? But what's cool about it, too, is it's got a multi-USB card reader here. Or SD card reader here. And I looked at the manual, and it'll accept any size. I don't really know how that works with this. But it says it'll accept any size. I don't know. So if you got a memory card in your camera or whatever, you just pop it in there and you can print pictures from that. You just have to use this screen to select and print, and then it would take you in there. You connect your USB flash drive or whatever also. So yeah, that's it, man. That's the Selphy Canon printer. Pretty nice little thing. A little expensive for $250, I think. You can probably get a full-size photo printer for that, but it is nice because it's portable if you've got, you know, soccer games or little games and stuff that you do, or kids, you know, and you want to carry this in like your car or something. I can see that happening, you know, and you print while you're on the go. Soccer game, you know, you want to print a couple soccer photos or something right after the shoot, right after the match, I mean. So I guess I can see that, you know. I don't know if you could, I'm sure you could plug it in your car if you've got a, you know, 110 in there, plug it in your car and print it like right in your the back of your car or something. But yeah, it's a pretty cool novel device, I think. I don't think it's like a necessity, obviously, but especially, you know, with the online printing services that are so cheap these days. I mean, I'm sure this isn't cheap. I'm sure these little packages here aren't cheap, but we'll see. We'll see how this goes. This is for business purposes, so. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. That's my review of the Canon Selphy and my thoughts. I hope you guys have a wonderful holiday season. Take care. Bye.